For those of you who own Twizy, especially those owners in the Philippines, here's a quick guideline where to find the auxiliary battery, how to jump start it in case your battery goes down, or how to replace the battery. Let's get to it. So to replace the battery, all you need is just three simple tools that you can find at home. First, a flat screw of any size. We'll show you where to use it later. And the other two tools are a combination wrench size 10mm. And lastly, Allen wrench flower T25. Step number 1. Ano po yung step number 1?
I-remove clip using flat
Okay. Using flat screw, you have to remove the two clips you can find on the side of the front bumper. One is found here. Yep, just like that. And another one, you can find it here. So just, insert the flat screw in between the clip and the bumper and it will come out. And you just have to pull it out with your hands. Step number 2. What's step number 2?
We will pull the bolt number 10 using this combination number 10.
Okay, so we're going to remove the two bolts underneath using the 10mm combination wrench. And never ever lose these two screws because you're gonna use it later. Alright, so once you've removed that bolt underneath, all you have to do is just pull it out. Now the front bumper is removed and your auxiliary battery for your Twizy is found right here. Okay, there is the battery, there's a housing. And for you to be able to see the battery itself, you will have to remove the another two bolt here and here on the side using the same wrench, size 10mm. Okay, so one bolt is down, and do the same for the other bolt you can find on the right side of the battery. Okay, now the two bolts are down. If you're gonna jump start it, you don't really have to remove the battery. Just lift the cover up and just put it on the side. Yeah, and you're gonna find a positive and negative terminal here. You can now jump start. But if your target is not to jump start it but replace the battery itself, now you will have to remove this. So now using the T25 flower Allen wrench, we're going to remove the screw attached to the negative terminal of the battery so we can entirely take out the battery. Okay, we'll just repeat that same procedures. Now if you're a Twizy owner, it would be a good idea for you to purchase some flower type Allen wrench, because most of the screws you find in Twizy are flower type that requires Allen wrench to remove it. Well, while we're speaking is done, now you can remove the battery. Yay! So now that's where the auxiliary 12-volt battery for Twizy is located. We have successfully removed it. Now if you're going to replace it, just do the procedures backward. Put the battery in and the positive and negative terminal, get it right, and put the screws back in. Put the housing back in. Put the front bumper back in, and that's it. As simple as that. Another thing, once you remove the front bumper of the Twizy, then you can find the tow hook. So if you really have to tow away your Twizy, you have to remove the front bumper, and you can find the tow hook here. Because most of the towing services in the Philippines won't be familiar with where it is located, so you owners have to be familiar and teach them. Alright, that was it. The 3 tools and 4 basic steps on how to replace the battery, the auxiliary battery for Twizy. Thank you.